Welcome to Out and About. Today's activity is dermatology. Now I know you all must have had foot massages and foot spas before, but this place has a unique foot massage to offer. Let's see what it is. We are currently at the Q Home Spa, and I heard that the Q Home Spa has a special foot massage to offer. Could you please tell us a little bit about how the foot massage here is special compared to other places?
Yes, we appreciate to have introduced foot massage at Q Home Spa. We have special expert massager, and we have the ingredient on cream foot massage. We have the 2 feet and different spots on your feet. We separate by 3 parts of the feet, and the head, and the middle, and the hand.
Oh, so the foot is like that too, right? So
Yep.
the top part of the foot is the top part of the body?
Yes.
From the head to the chest?
This is from the middle, this from your chest, or your stomach.
And the stomach to the reproductive system?
Yes.
Ah, I see.
Why don't you come and experience by yourself? Let's get inside.
Yes, I'd love to. Come on, let's go. I'm now ready for some reflexology. I'm also excited to see how it differs from other places. Please excuse me for a bit. I'm ready for my foot massage. This is so relaxing. I could do this for days and days and days. Just stay here. I feel so good after my reflexology session. So energized and revived. I must say the cream has a really nice cooling effect and also a really pleasant scent to it. Thank you so much for giving me the chance to try your reflexology.
You're welcome, and we appreciate you have come to meet us here again at Q Home Spa.
I definitely have to come here more often.